Hello and welcome to the East of Fish Podcast, episode 8. I'm your host, Dwight. Thank you for joining me here today. It's been a couple weeks, I think, and I have a lot of knitting and stuff to show you today. So we're going to get right into the finished projects. So the first finished projects is these mittens. I did a gusseted sewn. I still haven't sewn that whole up yet. That happened. So this is a pattern by Red Heart. It's 2x2 braid. I'm knit up and decreasing. The thumb decreases, and then the hand decreases and stuff. So that's those. So they are finished. These would probably be a Christmas gift. And my second finished object is a pair of socks. This is, I forgot to grab the tag, hold on one second. Okay, so, this is Biscotti and Solid or something. That's the tag. This was 351 meters, 384 yards. 80% merino, 20% nylon. Super wash merino wool. This yarn was started in Quebec, Canada. So there is that. The colorway was Blue Jay. So yeah, there's that. And the rest, that's my leftovers in the cake. So yeah, this is the basic 12 sock. And after that, heel. 2x2 rib. Yeah, it's fair. These have a little bit of use, so you can see the top is a bit layered out from the rest of the sock. So yeah, that's the second episode. And the third is, it's not really finished completely yet, but I consider that finished. This is a sock. This is Knit Picks. Right, we gotta tag that too, sorry. Okay, so this is Knit Picks Chroma Fingering in the New England colorway. This is 70% wool, 30% nylon, 396 yards, fingering weight, hand wash, dry flat. So there's that. There's the socks. These are probably going to be a Christmas gift if I get the other one finished in time, so I just need to put in the heel for those right there. So yeah. I really like this yarn, how patterned, like how it's like, I don't know, I just love it. This is yarn I got from Pam Chatfield. I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me, I have a really bad throat. I'll try to turn the volume up on this if I edit. So yeah, there's that. So that is all for finished projects this week. Now we're going to move on to works in progress. So now we're going to talk about our work in progresses. So my first work in progress is a lacy backless. The knit that never ends. So I really enjoy this pattern. Knitting this onto a 7 Knit Picks needles. Almost a 7. Probably can't see that. Anyways, yeah. 24-inch cable. I'm getting rid of my max on best value. And my next work in progress is Socks on a Plane by Lala from the Knit Girls podcast. I modified this pattern. The pattern is right toe up. I modified mine to be cuffed down. Stitch markers. Sad. Really sad. Binder clips. Anyways. These are on high sharp size 1 needles. 40-inch cable. This is Knit Picks. No, what this is called. This is, I think, tonal sock. and that is coming out a different color than it is. It's a lot more green. That blue you see is a lot more green in person. I'll do it like Diane. Let's cover up my face. There you go, that's more. And then my third work in progress is the second sock. Two of the Knit Picks Chroma socks. These are reknit on a 9-inch 1.5 circular needles. So yeah, those socks are knit cut down and I'm almost done. This is just being started. So yeah, that's all my work in progress is. Now we move on to spinning. So I lost my spin gel for a little while, but now I'm back to spinning some Julie spins. This is a gift from Kim Knits, my Ken Ledbetter spin gift from Rob. So yeah, I want to get a Heavenly Hand Spinning electric spinner for Christmas this year, because Christmas is not that far away. So yeah, that's what I hope I'll get for Christmas. So that's just some updates in spinning. So that I'm also doing a series, if you guys didn't see, of how to process a fleece. So yeah, that's all for spinning. The pets are doing good. I'm doing fine. Back to school again. Scentsy is my new obsession. I love it. I'll get my warmer to show it. Just hold on for 1 second. So this is my Scentsy warmer. Apparently, woman comes sugar cookie in that. So yeah, I love Scentsy. I think this is called Silver Lining. So yeah, that's my Scentsy warmer. I'm going to plug this in and turn it on, and I'll be right back to chat with you guys. Okay, so that's good. Since I've seen you guys last, I got a new fish tank, as you can see. Back there. Right there. It's a new fish tank. 15 gallons. It's for my betta fish. One of my goldfish passed away. So I gave the betta the 15, and the other goldfish, which is really lonely, and I think is on its way as well, because he's not acting very good since his body died. We've been together since I got them. So he's just not moving much, or so he's still eating, but so he's in the 5 gallon, which is right there, down right there. So I don't know what to do for him really. My other goldfish passed, and he is not acting so well. So yeah, it's kind of sad, but it's life. So yeah, that is all I need to talk about in this podcast. I hope Kim and Sam is loud enough for you guys. If not, just let me know, and I'll try to do something with the volume. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.